Okay, girls, so turn to page 49. It's 12th October, write down 12th October there. And please read this question, Judy. At the beginning of the season,
At the beginning of the season, Jamie paid full price for a ticket to see the Panthers, her favorite baseball team. The Panthers currently have 33 wins and 31 losses.
now, girls, when later on, for each losses, the ticket price decreased by 0.41. Like for each, when I say for each loss, you know that you need to multiply it. Like example, every time Panther loses the game, the ticket decreased by $0.41. All right, and how many now represent the total change in the cost of a ticket given by their losses? How much he loses? Tell me first. Tell me what is the amount he lost? 31?
31.
31. Okay, and then times, and for each loss, how much was they gave you how much dollar for each loss? Look at the picture.
33.
Ticket price decreases by how many dollars for one game?
49.
Look at ticket prices decreases $41 for every game. They give you in the here in the newspaper. Look at this paper. Ticket prices decrease by $41 for every game. That means, so for 31 losses, they ask you represent the total change in the cost of ticket given by the losses. When they say losses, how many losses were there? 31. And for one loss, it was $0.41. So for 31, it will be like this. 31 times 0.41. When you multiply this, girls, when you multiply this, you will get 12.71. Let me multiply to you and show some. I will do it here, girls, because I don't have space there. Simple. 31 and 41. And then you need to one minute here. 31 times again, I think I did 113. 4 3 is 12, girls. That means 1271. Point you will put before two numbers. So what did I get, girls? I got 12.71. This is what you got here. You understood why I multiplied? Because clearly it's given. You need to represent the total change in the cost of a ticket given to their losses. When they ask you about the cost of the ticket, how much it was decreasing, here they have told ticket prices decreases 0.4 for every game, for one game. But here there are how many games? 31 losses means 31 games. He lost. So that's why I multiplied. Next question. What is the cost of a ticket for the next game they play? What is the cost of the ticket for the next game they play? Now simple. I have to subtract from the total. First, how much he bought the ticket for the first time? Game 1. It's written here, game 1. How much he bought? He bought it for $49. He bought it for 45. Now later, how much he must remove? Because already they lost 33, 31, and when they lost 31, it costed 12. So I will remove $12 from the total. I will remove $12. So I got as $36. If I minus 49, if I minus 49.64 and 12.71, I get it as 16, 8, 9, 6, and 3. I got it 36.93. Again, once more, girls. Represent the total change in the cost. The cost for one, when they, if they lose one time, it will decrease to 0.41. If they lose 31 times, so it will be how much? 31 times 0.41. I got $12. Now, the first game they played, they bought the ticket for $49. But you know now it is reduced to $12.7 because they lost 31. So the next game will be, you will see, take the total, you will minus this, and you will get the cost of the next game. Okay, girls?
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Next question. The price per share of Enric stock is dropping at rate of 1.545 each hour. For 1 hour, it is dropping to 1.45. Write the rate as a negative number. I'll write minus 1.45. They said negative number. That is 1.45. What ration represent the change in the price per share after 5 hours? Girls, each hour it is minus 1.45. After 5 hours, you have to multiply with 5. What will I do? See, for 1 hour, the share was 1.45. For 5 hours, I'll multiply with 5 times minus 1.45. Simple, girls. Take 145 and try to multiply with 5. And you get, see, point before two numbers, you got, is it 145, 1.45 multiplied by 5? Yeah, it's 7.25, girls. It's not 7.45. Please change this to 7.25. The answer is 7.25, not 0.45.
Okay.
Please change to 7.25, girls. See the multiplication here if I am correct? Yeah, the answer is 7.25.
Yeah, miss.
Okay. Guys, question C, just put a cross.
Okay.
Put a cross, we are not doing that. Next. You will find the product, girls. You will just multiply this. You take 17A as homework. Simple, you will just find the product. Or I will do it now, don't worry. Minus minus is plus. Okay. This minus minus, when you see it is minus minus, when you see it's plus.
Minus plus.
And then again minus is there. There are 3 minus. Minus minus plus and then again minus. So plus with minus, you get that negative answer. 4 times 1. Numerator, 4 times 1, 4. 7 times 9, 63. Understood?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, don't do the B1. B1 put across again. We are not going with the errors and everything. Even put question 18 as because they want us to write the order, which one is from least to greatest. From least.
Miss,
Yes.
so should I write number B or letter B?
Cross mark.
Oh, okay. 18, should we do it or also cross mark?
18 also cross.
Miss?
Let's see. High order thinking questions is for you that you can try and do it if you want. Okay. If you want, I'll just orally explain you. From least to greatest. Of course, you know that the minus signs are. Like example, if I compare, place the products in order from least to greatest. I have to solve 6 over 7 and then 6 over 7. What is it? 4 over 7. I need to solve that and then I need to do it. Better you leave this question here. And coming to assessment practice. Do you have assessment practice there in your book?
Yes.
Okay. Coming to assessment practice. Suppose there is a drop. When I say drop, that means 1.3 is minus. Is it correct?
Yeah.
Can I go
Yes.
to the bathroom?
1,000 feet. For every 1,000 feet that an airplane climbs into, the temperature on the ground is minus 2.84. Write a multiplication equation, the change in temperature after the plane ascends 10,000 feet. Ascends.
Miss,
Hmm?
we have different questions.
Yeah.
Really? You don't have this question?
No.
No, we have 19
Miss,
multiply
ignore the
minus.
under of it.
Leave that question. Leave that question. Leave it.
Okay.
Just send me a picture of that on my the
Okay.
question they are giving you. Is it the same or different?
Only that part.
Yeah, only that part. Okay. And then let me start
Miss?
with the next lesson. Hmm?
Miss? Can I go to the bathroom?
Sure.
Yes, I send it.
Thank you, Yajit. Let us start with 1.8. Go to page number 53.
Miss 51 for us.
Everything is changed here. I think there's an old edition here. Or wait a minute, girls. I will just open your edition. Wait a minute. Better I open your edition so that you all don't get confused. It will be a problem if you get confused like this. Give me a minute and I will open your edition. All right, girls. Judy, please can you send me the picture? Because if this doesn't go, what I do is I will just solve on the share on the white screen because I don't know that
Just
there is an
the picture of what?
picture of the division, you know, those divide integers.
A web page. Okay.
Inshallah, if it opens, it's okay for me. No problem. But if it doesn't open, send me.
Okay. Send it.
Send me the next page too.
Okay.
All right, I think so. I need to start with this because I'm not able to open up your thing. Okay, I got this one. It's okay. It's okay. You all know your page numbers, right? What did you say? This is page number 51 for you. Am I correct? Okay. The question here is, suppose the star represents minus 24. What values could the other shape represent? Star is minus 24. So what is the square? Imagine. If the star is minus 24, what is the square? It could be minus 8, correct?
Yes.
Because will you get, girls, are you listening? Will you get 24 plus when both are plus? They're asking, suppose the star represents minus 24. The answer is minus 24. When will you get minus 24? 24 when one of this is? So minus 8. And the circle will be maybe plus 3. Can both be minus to get plus 24? Girls, can both be minus to get plus 24? No. You can just write square and don't write all the sentence. Square minus 8, circle plus 3. Just write this, girls. Square minus 8 and circle could be plus 3. Okay?
So what did he say?
Square, you can see on the screen here, square, don't write could be, just put a dash and write square is minus 8, circle could be 3.
Okay.
Now, what do you know about the square and circle if the star is a negative number? Girls, if a star is a negative number, what do you think? Either the square or the circle has to be negative. One has to be negative. Am I correct? If the star represents a negative number, the square and the circle must have different sign. Just write the square and circle must have different sign. Girls, why do you think they have to have different sign? Why not same sign?
Because then it will be plus.
Yes. If it
Miss, should we write A, B, and C?
just write what I am saying. In B, you write the square and the circle must have different sign. The square and the circle must have different sign.
Number A. And C.
Number A, you must write square -8, circle 3. It's not about writing. Did you understand or no? What I'm trying to say?
Yes. But
Now
Miss,
this
I can't
question.
see. I can't write. Miss, I can't write it.
By your own, girls, by your own. Now, suppose the machine drilled the same distance into the ground for 3 days and reached water at 84 feet. For 3 days continuously, they are drilling and they reach to 84, below ground level. When I say below ground level, you will write -80.
Minus.
Now, what was the change in the location of the bottom of the hole each day? When they ask you each day, every day, so you need to divide by 3. When I say divide, same thing, girls, in multiplication, how we did. When you divide 84 and 3, one is negative and other is
Positive.
positive. Both are opposite sign, the answer will be in minus. Both are same sign, the answer will be in plus. So, 3 times, you know how to divide -84 by 3. They're asking you to definitely 3 times what gives you 84. So you will divide this. When you use this division, when you use like this, -84 and 3. If I'm not wrong, so you got 28. But tell me, -28 or +28? You get -28 because they are opposite sign. 3 times -28 give me 84. 3 times -28 gives me 84. That's why -84 divided by 3 equals -28. Each time it is going down. First time it went -28. Then you have to add more -28. -28 plus, this is the second day. That is -56. Then third day, 84. Again, they will add -28 to this. So you get -84 at last. Okay?
Okay.
Any confusion in this question?
No.
Can I proceed to the next one? You need to
Yes.
divide. You need to show the division part. Can I go to the next page?
Yes.
Who's this shouting today? Who's this girl?
Me.
Me, who me? Okay. Girls, do you know that 40 divided by 5 is 8? 40 divided by 5 is?
8.
Do you know this or no?
Yes.
Because you'll count.
Yes.
Yeah, when you count till 40, you have 8 fingers. That is 8. 5 times 8 gives you 40. That's why 40 divided by 5 is 8. Now, why this is positive, Majdudin? Why this is positive 8? Anyone who wants to answer this? Noor, why is this positive 8?
Because they're minus equal plus.
Yes, because they're same sign. Here they are opposite sign. You get the same answer, but you get negative.
Minus.
0 divided by anything will not give you positive or negative. Your answer will be 0. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Which one of equivalent to -5, girls, will give you -5? That means it has to be opposite sign. Second one will give you -5. Third one will give you -5. This one will not give you -5 because both are same. This one will give you -5. And here this also will give you -5. Except, just you don't need to write again. Just put a cross and put a tick mark like this. See, these are opposite sign. -5. This is also -5. This is also -5. This one, yeah, sorry, just do to the question. This is not -5. This is -5. This is -5. This is not -5 because both are same. minus 5. This one, it will become, because both minus and minus same, it will get cancelled. And your remaining is minus 55. So even this is, just put a cross to this one and the first one and put a tick mark to all. Understood?
Yes, but
Yeah.
I'm writing.
Yes.
Opposite sign will give you a minus answer. Same sign will give you a positive answer. Girls, I think I've taken 2 minutes of yours. I'll end up the meeting, inshallah, tomorrow I'll continue. Thank you, girls. 1 minute before you all go, girls. Take
Yeah.
A, B, C, D as homework. Question, next page. Go to next page, girls.
Okay.
Take A, B, C, D as homework.
Okay.
Take care, girls. I will end up the meeting.